Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn 100 simple phrases that English-speaking parents use every single day. Whether you're a beginner or just want to sound more natural, this is for you. Ready? Let's dive into eating and daily routine. Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Come on, hurry up.
Come on, hurry up.
Go brush your teeth.
Go brush your teeth.
Go wash your face, okay?
Go wash your face, okay?
Breakfast is ready, come and eat.
Breakfast is ready, come and eat.
Go wash your hands first.
Go wash your hands first.
Don't be such a picky eater.
Don't be such a picky eater.
Eat more veggies, all right?
Eat more veggies, all right?
Have some more soup.
Have some more soup.
Eat slowly, don't choke.
Eat slowly, don't choke.
No phones while eating, please.
No phones while eating, please.
Are you full yet?
Are you full yet?
Drink more water.
Drink more water.
Don't walk around barefoot.
Don't walk around barefoot.
Help me wipe the table.
Help me wipe the table.
Take out the trash, please.
Take out the trash, please.
Clean up your room now.
Clean up your room now.
Put your dirty clothes away.
Put your dirty clothes away.
Go take a shower, honey.
Go take a shower, honey.
Go to sleep early tonight.
Go to sleep early tonight.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Lights off, please.
Lights off, please.
Tuck yourself in.
Tuck yourself in.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Night-night. Sleep well.
Night-night. Sleep well.
Eat up. Now that you're energized, let's talk about your studies. Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
So, homework finished?
So, homework finished?
Was class okay today?
Was class okay today?
Go read a book, honey.
Go read a book, honey.
How was the test then?
How was the test then?
Don't stress out too much.
Don't stress out too much.
Pack your bag now.
Pack your bag now.
Double check your answers.
Double check your answers.
Give your eyes a rest.
Give your eyes a rest.
Study hard, okay?
Study hard, okay?
Don't give up just yet.
Don't give up just yet.
It's too dark in here.
It's too dark in here.
Finished reading already?
Finished reading already?
Just go ask your teacher.
Just go ask your teacher.
Time for your after-school class.
Time for your after-school class.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Just keep trying.
Just keep trying.
When is the summer break?
When is the summer break?
Be nice to your friends.
Be nice to your friends.
Try harder next time.
Try harder next time.
Books away. Are you ready to head out? Stay safe out there. Got your keys?
Got your keys?
Wear a coat. It's chilly.
Wear a coat. It's chilly.
Slow down on the road.
Slow down on the road.
Watch out for the cars.
Watch out for the cars.
When will you be back?
When will you be back?
Message me later, okay?
Message me later, okay?
Don't talk to strangers.
Don't talk to strangers.
Don't come home too late.
Don't come home too late.
Got everything with you?
Got everything with you?
Take an umbrella with you.
Take an umbrella with you.
Lock the door.
Lock the door.
Hey, don't run!
Hey, don't run!
Careful with that dog.
Careful with that dog.
Is your phone charged?
Is your phone charged?
Watch your wallet.
Watch your wallet.
Ride safe out there.
Ride safe out there.
Come back early tonight.
Come back early tonight.
Put on your mask.
Put on your mask.
Don't touch that, it's hot.
Don't touch that, it's hot.
Home again? Let's talk about some good habits for a better life. No more games, period.
No more games, period.
Less soda for you.
Less soda for you.
Sit up straight, please.
Sit up straight, please.
Do it by yourself.
Do it by yourself.
Be polite to others.
Be polite to others.
Save some money.
Save some money.
Turn the volume down.
Turn the volume down.
Don't look at it lying down.
Don't look at it lying down.
Go water the plants, will you?
Go water the plants, will you?
Go collect the clothes now.
Go collect the clothes now.
Clip your nails, please.
Clip your nails, please.
No more snacks for now.
No more snacks for now.
Go get some exercise.
Go get some exercise.
Go out and get some sun.
Go out and get some sun.
Quiet down, please.
Quiet down, please.
Keep your word, okay?
Keep your word, okay?
Let's have a talk.
Let's have a talk.
Open the window, please.
Open the window, please.
Give Grandma a call.
Give Grandma a call.
Finish your work first.
Finish your work first.
Enough rules for now. Let's finish with the love and the classic nagging we all know. Are you tired, son?
Are you tired, son?
Need some money?
Need some money?
What's wrong? Tell me.
What's wrong? Tell me.
Cheer up, everything will be fine.
Cheer up. Everything will be fine.
Just eat your favorite food.
Just eat your favorite food.
Look, I'm here for you.
Look, I'm here for you.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Don't overwork yourself.
Don't overwork yourself.
Tell me if anything happens.
Tell me if anything happens.
I miss you so much.
I miss you so much.
Stay healthy, all right?
Stay healthy, all right?
Just come home.
Just come home.
Hey, good job!
Hey, good job!
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
I'm so proud of you.
I'm so proud of you.
Are you even listening?
Are you even listening?
It's all for your own good.
It's all for your own good.
You'll see one day.
You'll see one day.
Just look at Chris, see?
Just look at Chris, see?
Just listen to me.
Just listen to me.
100 phrases, 100 ways of showing love. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. If you enjoyed this journey home, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.